down by the Mississippi River. We are checking out this riverwalk area. There's Steve. And we're hearing this calliope music coming from somewhere down here. And there is a riverboat Natchez there on the right. And we're gonna walk.
Walking along the mighty Miss, there's the steamboat Natchez making some calliope sounds, advertising their presence. Lots of artwork and statues upon this walk.
The Steamboat Natchez dinner jazz and daytime jazz cruises run daily year-round in the style of authentic steamboats on the Mississippi River and in New Orleans for centuries. Cruising on the Steamboat Natchez includes steam engine room visitation, calliope, live jazz, and optional Creole food and local beverages. Look at these. Uh-oh, gotta get some of that. I would like that giant sorbet of some kind. And they have coffee.
Macarons from Sucre. Alyssa Myatt from Louisiana says that these are some of the best you can get.
And it's a cute little bag.
Comes in a cute little bag.
Shall I open it?
Absolutely.
Let's see what we've got here.
These were 8 for $25.
Ooh.
Little legend so that you know what everything is.
Here they are.
There they are.
Look at those.
So these are king cake. These are strawberry. These are chocolate, and these are salted caramel.
And strawberry. I had to try the strawberry. Which one should we try? Chocolate. You think? Chocolate.
Chocolate.
Just because it's the standard.
Sure.
You know. Ready?
Mm-hmm.
Oh my God.
Mm. Those are soft and delicious.
Mmm.
It's like biting into a brownie.
Mmm. Oh my gosh. The outside is so light and fluffy, and the inside is creamy and full of chocolate.
Mm-hmm.
Oh. Mm. Mm. So good. Really good.
Good afternoon.
Good afternoon, everybody.
We're on our way over to brunch at the Court of the Two Sisters.
Mm-hmm.
Everybody seemed to have had dinner last night there. Said it was amazing, so we can't wait.
Oh, starving to death. We definitely slept in, took a little nap, did a little walking around this morning, but you'll have seen that already.
Mm-hmm.
But we are ready to eat some New Orleans food.
Absolutely. They said come hungry. We haven't eaten anything today, so we are doing that.
Yes, we did have a macaron, but
Exactly.
It was good, but it wasn't quite sustaining.
We'll take you with us and show you what we get.
Come along, escape with us to the Two Sisters brunch. Coming upon the parade here. Oh, they're getting married.
Court of Two Sisters. It's very gorgeous in here.
Beautiful. Nice outdoor seating with shade or sun, depending what you want.
Here's a look at what it looks like. I'll show you right now. Here's my first dish. I got a biscuit that looked delicious. It was all glistening with, I'm guessing, honey. I got a couple ribs. I got some jambalaya and some gumbo, a little shrimp tossed in.
I put mine in too.
Robin's got some ribs, some spinach, and some crawfish.
Got shrimp etouffee,
Shrimp etouffee.
some chicken something, and some crawfish.
Yum.
And a rib.
Okay, round two. We got some prime rib, some pork, and some crawfish. And then over here, a little dessert, some carrot cake, some red velvet cake, and spice cream.
Oh yeah, we ate a whole lot. It was delicious, and I would highly recommend the Court of Two Sisters as a place to go.
Back exit. Right next to the spring man. Hello.
Hi,
Here we are on Bourbon Street,
we're in New Orleans. It's Mardi Gras and we're on Bourbon Street.
and it's a party.
It's a party, completely. We have some hand grenades. Mom, turn off the video. Well, you can mute it. It'll be okay. But it's very crowded down here. People are everywhere.
Absolutely.
The atmosphere is so amazing. I mean, it's just the energy is so strong.
It's a happening city. That's for
Happening, totally happening place. All kinds of ages here too. There's young people, older people, middle-aged people, everybody.
sure. Everybody.
All colors, creeds, and denominations. And
Everybody just
sexual
having a good time.
orientations. Having a good time. And we'll bring you more as we go along here. I'm listening to the drums down the road there. Do you hear those?
The music is infectious, so
It
we're gonna get to it, get walking, and get out of people's way,
Right.
and get our way down the parade.
Right. And we'll see you then on Escape.
Go. We are on Bourbon Street in New Orleans at Mardi Gras, and people are up on the balconies getting ready to throw their beads at boobs, apparently. I will not be participating in that. My mother just sighed, thank God. All right, we're heading towards St. Charles Place for a parade, and it is the Jabacus Parade, and it should be interesting. This whole place is interesting.
Waiting for the parade to start in front of this church with this gorgeous stained glass window.
This beautiful church or building with beautiful church-looking things in it. It is gorgeous. The spirit of this town is so old. Music everywhere. Different music. Some guy playing like really hard soul over there. And on the other side, they're playing like more of a classic beat. Hi again. So now we're off Bourbon Street and we have wandered into
St. Louis Cathedral.
and there's this beautiful building back here. Isn't that amazing? It's amazing.
All the architecture and artwork is really incredible.
Absolutely. New Orleans is amazing.
Very artistic city.
Very, and full of music. There's music coming from every corner and you can hear it coming in the square. So you could like go to the square and pick which direction you want to go. Definitely fun. Well, we're still heading over to the Jabacus Parade and we will bring you that a little bit closer to when we get there. See you then.
that was happening on Bourbon Street right now.
So we just got back from the Chewbacca's parade. It was really fun. We enjoyed it. How did you like Chewbacca's parade?
It was fantastic. It was a collection of various sci-fi themes, and it was very creative and interesting.
Cool. Yeah, I thought it was neat. It was definitely good. The people on the streets were a little crowdy, but you just have to hold on to your stuff, watch your pockets, zip your pockets. All that sort of thing.
We had a nice clear spot with nobody in front of us, but eventually there was 30 people in front of us all of a sudden.
Right. So we haven't eaten since the Court of Two Sisters, so we're starving to death. So we're gonna have some chicken.
Some Willie's Chicken Shack.
Chicken Shack. It's on
They're all over, but this
Canal.
one was on Canal.
Yeah, this one was on Canal, just off of Royal, right around the corner. So it was easy to go and get. But we're gonna eat.
We're gonna eat.
Time to eat. See you later. Say hi. You're on it too, but don't fall off the escalator. Drinking. We're getting there. Yeah. Definitely, pool was a little chilly, but that's okay. Oh no, let's try again. Yeah, got Beach Please here hanging out. Definitely, having a good time.
Thank you so much.
This is supposed to be really fantastic, and yep, that's what I did with that fish. I think that was possibly the best fish I've ever had in my life.
We're stopping at a photo op near the Roatan.
Here we are at the Glow Party. We're getting ready to glow and rock.